Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will be speaking about Zerodha Sentinel. So if you do not know what Zerodha Sentinel is, this video would be for you. However, I have also made some introduction video on this particular topic. So let's begin today's lesson here. So Sentinel is basically a platform from which you can actually set up alerts. And this is actually a separate feature or a separate tool from Zerodha, which was there was some charges for it monthly and things like that. But as of now, as of today, May 8th, 2019, Zerodha has come up with this article saying that Sentinel is now completely free. Is this free? Really free? What can you do with this? You will come to know in this video. So Sentinel is basically was designed to create a price alert engine. That means if there is a price alert, there are many times when you do not know, and if you are a working professional, you would not know whether a stock has crossed this particular price and things like that. So this would be a perfect alerting mechanism for you if you are someone who is busy with jobs and cannot monitor every second on the market or market falls and things like that. So basically there are different ways of creating alerts based on parameters such as price, volume, open interest and more. And the best thing about it is all on the cloud. So even if your device is not connected to a trading app, you will still get the alert. So you can also combine multiple alerts to create a trigger. For example, you can create a trigger condition that if the spot price of a particular stock is higher than the futures price and things like that. So these are things, and again, you can use these type of alerts to create different strategies, and based on that, you can actually create basic alerts, advanced alerts, and things like that. So there is a tutorial out here too, which you can actually go through it to understand this better. Now I will put this article link below on the description so that you can actually go through it and see different options. However, I will give you a small demo in this video too. So there are long-standing alerts, one triggers another order and things like that. So again, one triggers another order. So if you can also create Sentinel alert that triggered an order based on change in a different script. Now these are some advanced techniques from which you can do it, but for a beginner, I would not suggest you to do that. If you do not know what Sentinel app is, first try creating alerts and try creating basic alerts, which will not hamper your trading style or trading system. You will not be able to create any trades automatically, but that is also possible, which I will come up probably on a later video so that you understand that better. In this video, I'll probably give you a small demo on what you can do. So Sentinel, to log into Sentinel, I will just put it is sentinel.zerodha.com, and if I click on it here, I'm already there in my dashboard here. My dashboard I have created. Okay, let me log in from my Zerodha account, and these were some of the triggers which I had actually done. Bank Nifty. So based on that, so let me create a small alert so that you understand what this is. So alert me when last traded price of, for example, Infosys, Infi is greater than the current market price is 719. So I can put something like 750. So as soon as Infi price crosses 750, it will trigger me. So this I can say something like Infi 750. This is for my understanding. Now the reason why I am creating the name of this trigger is for me to understand it. I will get an email as soon as Infosys crosses 750. It will give me a trigger in my email saying that Infi 750 is triggered. So choose your name carefully for this trigger, because if you create multiple alerts, you would not know which particular alert has been triggered. So if you do something like this, you can create. So trigger is created, it's active, and it will give you real-time alerts. Now again, you can go ahead and even edit this and see. You don't have a basket, you can actually create a basket orders. You can click on edit, and here there is one more option here. This is create a basket order. That means you can actually create, as soon as this is triggered, it will create a buy order or a sell order. So again, this is a little advanced topic which I do not want to discuss more about, but you can place your orders also based on that. Based on that, you can actually create an order also, based on how if the trigger is created, it will automatically buy and sell, things like that. So again, a great tool to work with this again, and this is just one example. Now you can also this is if you, so let me go back and all right. So you can also create an alert based on high price, low price, open price, close price, intraday change, intraday percent, volume trader, total buy quantity, open interest day high, and things like that. So if for you to understand this, why you have to create a trigger, especially for investors, this would be a great option where a stock crosses a particular price, you will get a trigger so that you would know, okay, I need to exit or I need to buy at this price. And also it is also good for traders who are busy with their jobs and work, and based on this you can actually create a trigger here. So once you get into, if you already have an account with Zerodha, this is completely free tool to use now. And if you do not have an account with Zerodha, just to let you know, the Zerodha is the first discount broker of India, and currently and which was launched in 2010, and currently it's the #1 discount broker. It is constantly providing different tools which are now completely free because of based on the different market competitions. However, which is good for retail investors and traders like us, where we get to see a lot of these tools available for free. So if you do not have an account with Zerodha, there is a link below in the description where you can click and open an account very easily with Zerodha. So that's pretty much about it. I will put down the link for this description, and if you still have any questions, you can also go through these Sentinel tutorials in the link, and you can also put a comment on my videos to understand this better. I'll be happy to answer your queries for you. So that's it, and there is also a free Telegram channel where you can actually join, where I put live stock market updates every single day. So if you really want to connect with me, you can actually click on and get into my channel, which is completely free of cost, and where I will also be sharing some very good strategies available. And very soon I will be launching with live market strategies so that you understand it better. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for this, and I will see you again on my next video.